We're going to explain how to copy and paste between your host operating system and a virtual machine, VM. There are several ways to do this, depending on your virtualization software and operating systems. Let's explore the most common methods. 1. Using the shared clipboard. Most virtualization software, like VirtualBox and VMware Workstation Player, offer a shared clipboard feature. This allows you to directly copy text or files from your host OS and paste them into the VM, and vice versa. To enable this, you'll usually find the setting in the VM settings or preferences. Look for options related to clipboard, shared folders, or similar terms. Once enabled, a simple Ctrl+C or CMD+C on macOS to copy on your host OS should allow you to paste Ctrl+V or CMD+V directly into your VM, and vice versa. This is the easiest method if it's available and configured correctly. Sometimes, you might need to select a specific bidirectional or unidirectional mode for the clipboard sharing to work properly. Using drag and drop. Many virtualization programs also support drag and drop functionality. This means you can literally drag a file from your host OS's file explorer and drop it into a window within your VM, or the other way around. This works seamlessly for files and folders. It's a visual and intuitive way to transfer files, eliminating the need for copying and pasting entirely, and especially useful for larger files. This is another feature you need to explicitly enable within your VM settings. 3. Using virtual machine software's specific features. Some virtualization software offers more advanced features. For instance, VirtualBox has a guest additions package that you need to install within the guest operating system, the OS running in the VM. This package enhances integration between the host and guest, often improving clipboard sharing and adding features like seamless mouse integration. VMware also has similar features and may require guest tools installation for full functionality. Install the necessary guest additions or tools following the instructions provided by your virtualization software. This often unlocks additional features beyond basic copy-paste functionality. 4. Using external tools. If shared clipboard or drag and drop isn't working, or if you need to transfer files of unusual formats, you can use external tools. These range from simple file sharing methods, like using a USB drive or network share, to more specialized solutions. Remember to ensure the files are compatible with both operating systems. This is useful for complex file transfers or when the built-in methods fail. 5. Troubleshooting. If you're experiencing problems, check your VM settings to ensure the shared clipboard or drag and drop is enabled. Make sure the guest additions or VMware tools are installed and updated. Sometimes, restarting both your host OS and VM can resolve temporary glitches. If the problem persists, consult the documentation for your specific virtualization software for more advanced troubleshooting steps. They usually provide extensive guides and FAQs. Consider checking the different modes of clipboard sharing too. Remember to always be cautious about what you copy and paste between your host and VM, especially when dealing with sensitive